In this video, I'll show you how to remove virus in your Android phone. Today, I'll show you two methods that you can use to remove virus from your phone. For the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down. Then go to device care option. From here, just go to app protection option. Then tap on scan phone. Now it will scan your all the phone apps. So just give it a moment. You can see it's almost done, and that's it. You can see there are no threats found in my phone. Now for the second method, just go back and open up your Google Play Store. Just tap on this profile icon, then go to Play Protect option. From here, just tap on scan. It will also scan your all the phone apps, and that's it. You can see there are no harmful apps or virus found in my phone. And that is how you can remove virus from your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.